The humid Jamaican air hung thick and sweet with the scent of mangoes as Lilith, her vibrant afro bouncing, spotted Amina by the school gate. Amina, fresh off the plane from Sierra Leone, looked lost and overwhelmed by the kaleidoscope of colors and sounds. Lilith approached, a warm smile radiating from her face. "Hi, you must be Amina? Welcome to Kingston. I'm Lilith." Amina's eyes widened slightly. "Hello, I'm Amina." She clutched her worn backpack a little tighter. "Don't worry yourself," Lilith chuckled, her melodic voice instantly putting Amina at ease. "School's a breeze, and Jamaica is even easier. Come, I'll show you the ropes." Over the next 2 weeks, Lilith became Amina's anchor. She navigated the bustling school corridors with Amina in tow, introducing her to classmates and explaining the local slang. She taught Amina how to properly pronounce "lickle" and "Irie," and how to navigate the packed minibuses, known affectionately as route taxis. One afternoon, Lilith took Amina to her favorite spot, a hidden cove near the beach. The turquoise water lapped gently against the shore. "So what do you think of Jamaica so far?" Lilith asked, braiding a small plait into Amina's hair. Amina smiled, the first genuine smile Lilith had seen. "It's different, sunny and awesome, and reminds me of some parts of Sierra Leone. And you've made it feel like home." "Thank you, Lilith." Lilith squeezed Amina's hand. "We're both ethnic daughters, just separated by a little ocean." Lilith then showed Amina how to properly shell a coconut, the sweet juice spraying onto their faces as they laughed. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues, Amina knew she had found more than just a friend in Lilith. She had found a sister and a new place to belong. The sound of reggae beat in the distance, and Amina began to tap her feet and bob her head as she smiled with joy.